To take advantage of the true power of the Agilent CGH system, researchers need a platform that provides high throughput with minimal operator intervention and without sacrificing accuracy or sensitivity. A new method was developed to automate the CGH sample preparation in a 96-well format by using the Agilent Bravo automated liquid handling platform. The vWorks automation control software provides protocols for the fragmentation, labeling, purification, and pre-hybridization setup. For each protocol, the user can input between 1 and 48 samples and the desired array format, 1x, 2x, 4x, or 8x. All required volumes, sample well locations, and tip usage variables adjust automatically to account for the number of samples being processed and array type used. The Bravo platform is equipped with Peltier cooling stations to ensure best performance of enzymes and other reagents. A PCR machine is used for all incubations, including restriction digestion, incubation with random primer, labeling, and pre-hybridization. The samples are purified post-labeling to remove unincorporated dye molecules using 96 well plates. The purification plates are spun in a plate centrifuge for 5 minutes. After purification, the samples are checked for labeling efficiency. In the final step of the workflow, the Bravo platform combines the experimental and reference samples and adds the hybridization buffer. After incubation, the samples are now ready to be hybridized to the Agilent microarrays. In this video, we have demonstrated an effective new method for automating the CGH sample fragmentation, labeling, purification, and pre-hybridization setup in a 96-well format with the Bravo automated liquid handling platform. Hands-on time is reduced and throughput is increased with no compromise in data quality. These robust, ready-to-go validated protocols allow you to start automating your CGH workflow immediately with no setup or programming required. The protocols are available on the CD that comes with the Bravo platform or may be obtained by contacting your local Agilent product specialist.